Good morning, class 4, and welcome to the class. We were doing chapter number 8, Carts and Wheels. So this is my request to everyone, kindly open the Math Magic book. The Math Magic book. We will start from the next topic, that is balancing act. We will start from the next topic, balancing act. So everyone take out Math Magic book. It is page number 92. Page number 92. Balancing act. Can you balance a plate on your finger? Now here the question is being asked that can you balance a plate on your finger? Can you balance it? See what the monkey is saying. I will balance it. Now the monkey, he is trying to balance the plate. See what happened? He has kept his fingertip in the side of a plate, isn't it? And he just started to spin. What happened? The plate falls down. Now see what he is saying. Oops, I will try again. So the monkey is saying, oops, I will try again. Then he is saying that let me try again. Now in the second attempt, he is able to spin the plate. See what he is saying. I think I have found the center of the plate. Now the monkey, in the second attempt, he is saying that I think I have found the center of the plate. That's why the plate is spinning properly in the fingertip, isn't it? On the fingertip, the plate is spinning properly. So this way the monkey, he is able to spin the plate on his finger. That means whenever you want to spin any circular thing in your hand, you have to take its center. Okay, you have to take its center, or you have to move it from the middle. Okay, now here one more thing is there, that you also try to balance a plate or a round lid on your finger. Where does it balance? Now this activity is told to do it by yourself. Okay, you also take one plate and then try to spin it and see what will happen. In how many attempts you are able to spin the plate properly. If you have remembered in your school, when you were present in school, that time the magic show was there, isn't it? And the puppet show was there. In that day, the person, he has brought the hat, then plates and mats, and he was balancing it with the help of the stick. I think you have remembered that he has taken many hats, and the hats he was balancing with the stick, and he was spinning with the stick, isn't it? Even big plates also he has brought, the fiber plates, and he was just balancing that 3 to 4 plates with the help of a single stick. And after that he has used 2 sticks, and with the 2 sticks he was just balancing the plate. And how he was balancing? He has taken the center, or he has found the center of the plate, and then he has kept the tip of the stick in the center, and he was moving, or he was spinning it from the center. Okay, so this was the trick he was applying over the hats and the plates. He was just moving from the center, isn't it? And we have seen that show. Even this year also, in the Children's Day, this type of show is being shown to you in the YouTube. I think you have all seen that one. Okay, so this has only one reason behind this, that you have to spin it from the center. First of all, you have to find it. In the plate, you don't have a hole, so that you can understand that this is the hole, that means this is the center, isn't it? So in the plate, you have to find the center of your own, and after that you have to spin it. Clear? So this is my request. You will try this activity at home and see how. Take a fiber plate and then spin it. Don't take a bone china plate or any glass plate. Okay, do it with the fiber plate, so that if it falls down, then also it will not break, and your mother will not scold you. Okay. Yes, now come to the next topic. The topic is spin the top. Zakir, Appu, Naina and Guddu were getting bored. It was raining, so they could not go out to play. Now these 3 friends, they were not able to go outside because it was raining, and inside the room they were feeling very bored. So what happened? See, Suddenly Appu said, let's each make a top. Now suddenly one of the friend Appu, he said that let us make tops. They took a piece of cardboard and traced a circle on it. Then they made a hole and put a matchstick in it. Then all the three, they have taken one cardboard and they have made a circle on that cardboard. And all the three, they have made a hole. And they have stuck one matchstick in the hole, so that from that hole they can spin the cardboard or spin the circle. Okay, now everybody was excited to spin their tops, which looked like this. Now everyone, they were very excited, to spin the tops. Okay, they were very excited to spin the top, and the everyone's top was looking like this. See, it was not 3, it was 4. First one, it is Zakir. Zakir, he has made a top and he has kept the matchstick in a side of the top. You can see at the side of the top, the matchstick is stuck to the cardboard. Next one, Appu. Appu, he has taken the center and he has stuck the matchstick in the center. Then next one, Nana. Nana also has done the same thing as Zakir has done. Zakir, in one end he has given the matchstick, and Nana also in the other end he has put the matchstick on the cardboard. And the last one was Guddu. Guddu, he has put the matchstick near to the center. He has not given in the center, but it is near to the center. Okay, it is not in the center, but it is near to the center. Now based on this pictures, there are some questions in the book. You will write these questions in the book only. Write the answers in the book only, not question. Okay, see, the first one, whose top will not spin at all? Can you guess whose top will not spin at all? Joita has written Zakir and Nana's. Okay, write in the book. Exactly. See, Zakir and Nana, their top will not spin because they have taken the hole, or they have made the hole in the side of the top. Because if the side of the top, they are keeping it the side and they are spinning it, naturally it will fall down. It will not at all move because the hole they have made in the side. Okay, so the answer you will write. Answer 1, you will write Zakir and Nana's top. Zakir's and Nana's top will not spin at all. Will not spin at all. Okay, Zakir and Nana's top will not spin at all. Now answer number 2. Whose top will spin a little? Now tell me, whose top will spin a little? Yes, it is Guddu. So whose top will spin a little? It is Guddu's top. So write it. Guddu's top. Guddu's top will spin a little. Will spin a little. Guddu's top will spin a little. Now third one, whose top will spin the best? See, Guddu's top will spin a little because it is near to the center. That's why it will move, but it will not move so frequently as Appu's top will move because he has made the hole in the center of the top, isn't it? So whose top will spin the best? It will be Appu. Yes, so write it. Appu's top will spin the best. Will spin the best. Now answer 4. In whose top is the stick nearest to the center? In whose top is the stick nearest to the center? Whose top it is nearest to the center? See, the question is in whose top is the stick nearest to the center? It is not Guddu, it is Appu. It is Appu. Because Appu's stick is nearest to the center. He has not in the center, it is written, not in the center he has made, but it is near the center. So it will be Appu's. Appu's stick is nearest to the center. So write it, Appu's. In Appu's top, in Appu's top, the stick is nearest to the center. In Appu's top, the stick is nearest to the center. In Appu's top, the stick is nearest to the center. Written. In Appu's top, the stick is nearest to the center. Completed? Okay, that means I can rub the board. Now come to the next one. Make your own top. Now you have to make your own top. Okay. You also make your own top and play this game. Now this is the activity, you will do it of your own. Okay, you have to make the top and then you have to play this game at home. This is a single player game, so I think you all can play it at home. Just you make it and just you have the experiment. That means you will draw the circle and then you stick the matchstick in the center of the circle and you try to spin it. Okay, and tell me what will happen. So this game I think you all should try at home. To make the top spin well, where will you make the hole? Now answer this question. To make the top spin well, where will you make the hole? Exactly, at the center or in the middle of the hole, in the middle of the top. In the middle of the top. So write it in the book only. Write this answer in the book only. Write this answer in the book only. To make the top spin well, to make the top spin well, we will make the hole. We will make the hole in its center. In its center. So to make the top spin well, we will make the hole in its center. In its center. Written. Written. So these questions are to be written in the book only. Not questions, answers. These answers are to be written in the book only. Okay. So this is the end of the chapter. This is the last topic of the chapter, and we have ended this chapter. In our next class, we will start the next chapter, that is chapter number 9, halves and quarters. Okay, so students, whatever we have done today in the book, that you will write in your copy. Clear? But before ending, I want to show you how to draw the circle with the help of the compass, because in my previous class I think I have told you that you will be ready with your compass, scale and eraser, and with 2 pencils. We will learn how to draw the circle with the help of the compass. I think you all have the compass with you. So quickly, all of you open the copy, take the compass, take the scale and 2 pencils, and be ready to draw. And get ready to draw quickly. Everyone. Every one of you. See, I am writing the first question. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. To draw the circle, we have to take compass, scale and 2 types of pencil. Okay. Now see, before drawing, there are some rules which you have to follow regarding the compass. Okay, take the compass and you can see there is one end, it is fixed, this tip is fixed, and you will make the center from this tip. Okay, and the second one, since I am drawing on the board, so I have used the chalk. You will use a pencil, but the pencil should be smaller. It will not be bigger. It will not be bigger than the compass. Okay, it should be smaller than the compass. That means like this, a very small pencil. Somewhat like this pencil. Clear? This type of small pencil, you will fix it here where I have fixed the chalk. There you will fix the pencil and tight it. Okay, and next one more thing and very important thing. Everyone look to me. A very important thing. See, here the tip of the one side of the compass and the other side is the pencil. In your case it is the pencil, and in my case it is the chalk. But the chalk I have put little longer than the tip. You will also do the same. You will also put the pencil a little longer than this tip. See, you can see here the tip is, and it is a little longer, so that you can make the circle properly. A little longer, not too much. It is a little longer. From the tip, the pencil will be a little longer. The pencil lid will be, not pencil. The pencil's lid will be a little longer than the tip of the other end of this compass. Clear? And you have to take a small pencil so that it can move easily. If you are taking a pencil bigger than the compass, then what will happen? It will not move easily. Okay, that's why you have to take a small pencil and one more pencil to write it. This pencil, it will be fixed with the compass. You will not open it and then again write it and again fix it. It will be fixed to the compass, and with the second pencil you will write whatever I am writing on the board. Clear? And this thing, everything, it will be in the pencil. In geometry, every question, everything, it will be with the help of pencil. You will write with the help of pencil. Clear? So first of all, here I have told you to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take the scale. Keep it in your copy and draw 3 centimeter from 0. From 0 you draw 3 centimeter like this. You draw 3 centimeter and then put 2 end points. That means darken the 2 end points so that you can properly see. Okay. Then open the compass. Fix the one end here and this one, the other end here. Then with the help of the compass you make the circle. with the help of the compass you make the circle and then darken the center. Name it O. Draw the radius inside the circle. With the help of the scale, draw the radius inside the circle. Suppose here I am writing P and this is 3 centimeter. So I will write radius is equals to OP is equals to 3 centimeter. Okay, like this. Quickly do it and upload it in the chat box just now as Piyal has done. Piyal, it is correct. It is correct, Piyal. Everyone do it like this way. Those who have completed, they draw the second one. Draw a circle of radius 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. Now you draw a circle of radius 4.5 centimeter. Same way, first of all you will draw the line segment. First of all you will draw the line segment of 4.5 centimeter with the help of the scale. Then keep the compass in one end and measure it with the other one. Keep it 4.5. Measure the compass 4.5 and with the help of the compass then you draw a circle of 4.5. Okay, draw a circle of 4.5. I have given here two circles, one 3 centimeter, one 4.5 centimeter. One's radius is 3 centimeter and the other one's radius is 4.5 centimeter. Quickly do it, everyone. It is correct. And you have to do it with the pencil. Everything, even the question also you will write with the help of the pencil. Okay. Yes. Now those who have completed, they write the homework. They write the homework. Draw a line segment of length or of measurement 3.2 centimeter and 5.5 centimeter. These two line segments you will draw. Okay, the two line segments whose measurement is 3.2 and second one's measurement is 5.5. Next you will draw a circle of radius 2.8 centimeter and 4.6 centimeter. Draw a circle of radius 2.8 centimeter and 4.6 centimeter. Okay, these two questions are homework to you. You will do it of your own in the copy. And then in the next class you will upload it in the online class. You will upload it in the chat box as today you have done. Okay, so students, whatever we have done today, you once more you practice it in your copy. That means how to draw the circle, you once more you practice in your copy, complete the homework, and in the next class you will upload it in the chat box. Okay, so students, today up to this only. Practice the line segment as well as the circle because it is very important. Okay, so bye all of you for today and practice the maths.